Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the Facebook marketplace failed to publishing listing problem quickly and easily. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, now long tap your Facebook app and tap on I button, scroll down, then tap on force stops. Okay, scroll up and tap on storage and tap on clear cache and again tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission, first calendar allow, back, and another call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos, last photos and videos, allow all permission, complete. Okay, back to home screen. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Now check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated showing. Okay, now tap on update option and complete your Facebook update. Waiting a few minutes. Now restart your phone and reopen it again on your phone. Okay, back to my screen and open your Facebook app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.